The next thing which we need to do is we'll go back here and go to the plugins folder. Here you can see there are several of these classes are there. What we are interested in is data service. We are not going to use directly this data service.cs file. Instead, we'll have our own DB class to handle the SQLite. So we'll go to the script folder, create a script DB. Now you can just open that file here and go to dataservice.cs. What you need to do is you just copy everything right now from here and paste it to db.cs. Just keep it like that and remove anything from what you have below from create db and below all the methods. Just remove it. This class will be purely to interact with the SQLite and it will not contain any logical methods. So this is the code. Now here what has happened is you need to pass the database name. What we are going to do is we are going to set the database name here only. We will not pass it. It will be hard coded for this particular class, or rather the app. We'll name it as contact.db. So this will be our database file name and this is the database name. So we don't need to pass every time the database name when we are using this. The next thing is we want this connection. So this is private right now. So we'll have a getter method for it. So public SQLite connection and get connection, and this will be the method. So you need to just return the connection class. The connection field out here. So whenever I do have an instance for this DB, and one more thing you have to do is change the name of the class. So now you have got a service class of your own where you are going to interact with the SQLite database. So just go ahead and build it. That's we'll see if we have got any errors. So there are no errors. You have the DB class ready and you can get access to the connection. So this is basically the DB class.